Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in Idaho. And this whole process is super fast and easy. Click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you do it on yours, and I'm going to tell you exactly what to fill out for every single part. So it's super easy and very clear. I've seen a ton of videos on YouTube that are really long and complicated with chapters and all this stuff. We're not doing that today. I'm going to make this as easy as possible for you. So again, click the link below and let's just get started right away. So it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and you're going to start by clicking Idaho. Now you're going to type in the name of your business to see if it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. And yes, it's available. And what stage are you currently in? Just select whatever applies for you. As far as an industry, you might fall into a couple different categories. For me, I do eyelashes, so I'm going to start to type it in, and you can see it's here. They have so many options, so you can more than likely find something that's exactly what you're looking for or pretty close. And are you offering a good service or both? As far as hiring employees, this part is just for yourself. If you decide that you want to hire employees later on, after your LLC is filed, it's totally fine. It's not going to affect anything at all. And this is just kind of setting a personal goal for yourself. So if you don't know, you can select this here. Now, I like to use my home zip code in Idaho because I don't have a physical location, but if you do have a storefront or a location, business location, you can use that zip code. And are we serving customers online, at a shop or store, or are you on the go? So select all that apply here. And what are you planning to do for your business today? So we're going to select LLC and also EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the Social Security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So I highly recommend to do it today and just get it all done with, because you're more than likely going to need it within this year anyway. And I just love that Taylor Brands is kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. You can see here, like if you need a logo made, they can do that. If you need a license or a permit for something, they can do that as well. So if you want to select anything else, feel free to do so. But for today, we're just going to do LLC and EIN. And we can skip this here. It's just a survey. And you found Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and you guys, Taylor Brands is offering this free 12-week business coaching program. I love to do this. I feel like, it's something that if I can learn something to help me make more money, it's a free course, why not, right? But if you don't want it, you can just hit no thanks. And now we're going to enter our personal information. And you can create a password. Okay, and again, they're asking, do you want Taylor Brands to help you create your EIN number? So if you choose to do it on your own, you would select this option here, and you can file it through the IRS website. Just a heads up, IRS website only allows you to file Monday through Fridays. You cannot file it on the weekends for whatever reason. And in my opinion, I feel like government websites are pretty outdated and difficult to navigate. And, especially if you've never filed for an EIN number, you just don't want to make any mistakes, right? So Taylor Brands for just $99 can do it for you. And pretty much you selecting this button here is like all you have to do. So I feel like it's worth it. It's one less thing to worry about. We don't want any other drama or anything going wrong when we're creating our LLC and EIN, right? So I feel like it's worth it to select this here. And as far as assigning a registered agent, now if you live in Idaho and your business is in Idaho, you will be your own registered agent. Now this might not apply if maybe your accountant tells you otherwise, or if you live in some other state. Let's say you live in California and you want to file your LLC in Idaho, maybe for tax benefits, then you need to appoint someone that lives in the state, which you would select this option here if you need help figuring it out. But again, for most of you guys watching, you'll be this option here. And are you sure? Yes, we're sure. And every single year you need to renew your LLC with the state. So basically you'll get a couple warnings about it that you need to renew it. And if you forget to do it, you'll be hit with a bunch of late fees and fines, which we obviously want to avoid that. So if you're super busy with your business, totally understandable, you know, Tailor Brands can renew it for you every single year for $199. It is a little bit costly, but it is less expensive than those late fees. So you can have them do it for you, but if you want to save some money and you can remember to do it, you can select this option here and you won't be charged anything extra. All right, and a branding toolkit, I'm just going to click no for this. And would you like your LLC expedited to you in just 2 days from now for $49? Let's click it. If you're not in a rush, they can get it to you in 2 weeks, and that's no problem. There will be no extra fee, but I want mine as soon as possible. And the operating agreement, you don't really need it, to be honest, so I'm going to click I'll figure it out myself. Would you like this formation kit? I'm not sure exactly what it is, some different documents. I'm just going to click no for this. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC and EIN status. Okay, and you guys, you can check out these different services that they have to offer. But for today, we're not trying to spend anything extra that we don't need to. So we're just going to select this light plan here. And now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the Idaho state filing fee is $104. That's just the mandated state fee. We're getting that free coaching program. And we're paying $49 for that 2-day expedited filing, so you'll have your LLC in just 2 days from now. And that gives us our grand total for the day. Now, keep in mind that after you file your LLC, you're going to be charged with that $99 for your EIN. So LLC comes first and then your EIN. So don't be surprised when you see that charge come through. It's just for the second part of this process. Now, after you enter your credit card information, it's going to ask you what address you want to use. Now, if you have a business storefront or a physical location, you can use that address. Like for me, I'm mobile. I don't have a specific address for my business, so I've always used my home address, and I've never received junk mail, spam mail, anything like that. It's basically just for them to, you know, have your address on file if they need to contact you for some reason about your LLC. If you're not comfortable using your home address, just do a quick Google search on how to get a virtual address. And you can use that as well if that gives you a little more comfort. But like I mentioned, I've never had issues with it. But that's it, you guys. There is no more to this. You have just filed your LLC and your EIN number. And you can see this was really fast and easy. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help you guys out. And yeah, that's it. I wish you the best of luck with your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.